Hey folks, just a short little update right now. I want to show you something that I'm doing here. Might be a good idea for some of you folks doing skoolies conversion. Anyhow, this is what I got going on. This is what I want to show you. What I've done. Okay, the reason why. Let's go back to here. What this is this is PVC. I've drilled a hole in the side of the bus right there on the inner panel. And I've glued it in place. And I'm using this as a conduit. This is 1-inch PVC, which has got a well, that's the inner diameter. The outer diameter is about just a little bit less than an inch and a half. So what that means is that when you go to do your flooring and you're using either 2x2 or 2x4, which is really 1.5 by 3.5, this fits under. It won't hit the 3/4 inch plywood you're going to put on top. And I did this. The reason why I decided to go with the floor is because right here I found out that I'm going to have a problem running wires down to this area here where the outlets are going to be at. Now I can use this part up here for my LED lighting inside the cabinets and all that kind of stuff. But as far as having the wire run down to here, I really couldn't find any feasible way of doing it besides drilling through that beam, the rib, and going down. I want to put as few holes in the rib as possible. But then I would have had to drill another hole down here to pull it out. But doing that, then I wouldn't be able to put a PVC in there. And I would have to worry about putting grommets in there so that the wire doesn't chafe through, or the metal doesn't chafe through the wire, the insulation, and short circuit it or whatever. So anyhow, I went with this idea because, so here, what I did was I glued it into place here, right there. This hole was a mistake, but I'll probably end up doing another one too here, because I'll probably have another outlet on this side, because this one here will be dedicated for the air conditioner. This is going to be going right there. This one here is going to be a regular outlet with 2 USB ports. So I'm going to have 4 outlets in the bus with two plugs and 2 USB outlets. I think it's 2, maybe 4. But anyhow, so this one here is going to go up to here, and then probably I also have to run the electrical cord and the USB cord through here, because when you have your inverter off, you got no power coming here, so you need a separate cable coming strictly from the batteries to here to give you your USB ports. So and I'll give a picture of the outlets I bought off of Amazon. Right over here is gonna be a picture of them right now. Anyhow, so, and there'll be a link in the description to what I'm talking about the outlets. So I'm going to extend this. I'm going to cut this out right here so it doesn't chafe on that. So I'm going to add a piece right here to go all the way up to this area here, and then drill a hole in the bottom. But I just wanted to show you what was going on, and over there, what I've got to do right there is I got to probably glue it down a little bit further closer to the wall, because that one there was not, I did not do that all the way to the floor. It was just like a 1/4 inch up. If I'd have known, well, I mean, I can work around it, no big deal. But if I'd have known that I was only a quarter inch off the floor, I would have changed it. The other one is right on the floor. But this one here also is off the floor. So you need to get them as close to the floor as possible, so that way when you do put the 2x2s or 2x4s in for the subflooring, they will clear. So anyhow, that's what I got going on right there. But I'll have at least one more of those PVCs going from here to over here, so that way I have outlets in my countertop, underneath the countertop on the front side, little square piece I'll make for the outlet to mount in, right about this area here. But anyhow, that's what I got going on. That's what I wanted to show you what I was doing. And these are, as you know, you can see that string coming out of that one there. That's also going to have pull-throughs, so that way you can pull wire through if you need to add more wire, or if you need to replace wire. I mean, you can pull it out and put a new one in. But anyhow, I really like those pull-throughs with those string going through the conduit. But I just wanted to show you what I got going on, because I'm getting ready to put in the subfloor here probably in the next week or two. But just thought you might be interested in seeing that. And see, when they do the spray foam, you know, it'd be everything will be squared off, and 2x2s will be screwed into the floor, and then they're just going to spray, and it's just going to go around the PVC, encasing it. But just thought you might be interested in that. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.